Northern Ugandan youths, Northern Ugandan youths, Northern Ugandan youths, you need to stand up for yourself. You don't need to stand up for yourself, because if you don't stand up for yourself, it's gonna be too late for you. It's gonna be too late for you. Do you have a job in Northern Uganda? Do you have a job in Uganda? You don't have a job. The only job you guys have is security job. It's housekeeping job. Huh? There are so many offices in Northern Uganda region. There are so many offices in Northern Ugandan region, but none of the youths of Northern Uganda are working in it. None of you are working in it. The only work you have there in those offices are security job, cleaning job, office messenger. There's nothing good that you guys have. Nothing. Nothing. We have immigration in Northern Uganda. People who are working in it mostly are not Northern Ugandan people, are the Westerner and the Rwandese. We have Bank of Uganda in Northern Uganda, but who are working in it? Not you guys. I hate it by the Westerner and the Rwandese. You are ahead. There's so many officers that are supposed in Northern Uganda that are supposed to be Northern Ugandan youths working in it, but none of you are working in it. Even the little land that you have, that you're supposed to do farming in it, they're all taken away from you. They're all taken away from you. If you can look around, the lands in Northern Uganda are all like taken away. They're all taken away. You see the bus park are all taken away. The bus park that you use are all taken away. Everything are taken away from you. And then you there sit smile. No, there's no smiling. And then you sit like, oh, we're gonna take them back to power. We're gonna put them back to parliament. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking damn kidding me? Are you mind working? You go to school, you graduate for nothing, no job for you. You go to school and sit back home and drink alcohol and you think it is all right. You go to school and then get frustrated, start smoking marijuana, you think it's all right. It's not all right. Even the money that your parents have wasted on you, you didn't even pay them back. There's nothing. There's nothing, because you can get a job. You get so frustrated. You get so depressed. Your minds are not working. That's why there's a lot of mental health problem in Northern Uganda. That's why there's a lot of mental health problem in Uganda. And stop sending the same people to parliament. Stop sending the same people to parliament. Stop sending the same people. You can also be a leader. You can also go to parliament. Why can't you come out? You can also go to parliament. Stop sending the same stupid people to parliament. Their work is not to stand for you. Their work is just to keep quiet and eat. Their work is to be bribed and eat. What about you who is back home? What about you who has voted for them? What have you gained? Nothing. You're only gonna gain like 5,000, 10,000, 200,000 during election or during votes. You can only gain that, and that is it. Your future is doomed. If you don't stand up for yourself, your future is fucking doomed. Part 2 of my story. Do you know why the Northern Ugandan leaders were so quiet? They were not saying anything. Even the chiefdom of Acholi has kept quiet for so long. He could not even say anything. Even when things are happening under his umbrella, he could not come out and say anything. All the leaders who are shouting and yelling in Acholi land, they are all quiet now. They are all quiet because Museveni has paid them all. Museveni has bribed them. He has paid them huge sum of money that they cannot come out anymore and say anything. They are now sitting on the needle. They are now sitting on the needle that if they shake a little bit, they will get the pain. So that's why they no longer say anything. They don't want to say anything because money has bought them. Museveni now knows the weakness of the Northern Ugandan leaders. He knows the weakness. He knows where to press. Museveni now knows where to press. He pressed like this. They will all agree to his words. They will all crawl to him. They will all bow down to him because of money. Money has bought northern Ugandan leaders. Money has destroyed northern Uganda. Money. Everyone will say like, I'll get what I can get. Let me get what I can get to feed my family. Now, what about the family of the people who are voting for you? What about the people who are voting for you? What about the people who are supporting you? What do you want their family to depend on? What do you want their children to eat on? What do you want their children to rely on? You're only thinking, and the leaders of northern Uganda are so greedy. They're so greedy that they're forgotten about their people. They're so greedy that they don't understand their people anymore. They're so greedy to the point of allowing other people, like other countries, like Rwandese, to come and kill in their own country, to come and kill in their own part. How many people have been dying in Apa? How many people have been killed in Apa? And what did the leader of northern Uganda did? What did they do? Nothing, because money has bought them. Money is just ringing on their mind. They don't care about anybody else. They don't care about the lives of other people. But the life of the voters matters. The life of the voters matters.